Hello. Today we are at Sawnee Mountain. Me and Megan. Hi, Megan. And we are going up to the Indian seats. So this is close to where we live, and it's August 21st. So it's nice. It's not too hot here. So we'll see you in a bit. Megan just tripped. It's cool. Okay, we made it up to the top. We took the short path. Sorry if it's wiggly here. We made it. Oh, here's a squirrel. Cute. Hey, buddy. So pretty. Some houses there. Let me go up a little more. Oh, I love it here. We're lucky to live here. Have to be careful so we don't. So we don't fall off, because that's a long way down. Here are two ways to get up here. There are two ways to get up here. You can go the longer way. We took the shorter way today, and it is still a nice hike. It's beautiful up here, but the longer way will give you a really big workout, and it's either way you're getting a good workout and seeing a beautiful view. We are so lucky to live here in this beautiful area too. So get out there and hike. Right, Megan? She's doing something. Megan is going on the Indian seats. It's called the Indian seats. I think this is, yeah, these are, might all be called, is this whole area called the Indian seats? Okay, that's where we came in at, where those little cars are. But you can just sit on the edge. I'm deathly afraid of heights, so this is a lot for me to be right here, but just very peaceful. My kids are a lot more adventurous. I'm adventurous, but not with the height thing. Hi, Megan. Hi. And up that way is Blue Ridge Mountain, Blue Ridge, Georgia. The Blue Ridge Mountains, and my friend Midge has a beautiful cabin up there. So she comes up certain times of the year. Hi, Midge. And yeah, it's just so pretty here. And that goes up all the way up to Blue Ridge Parkway. Appalachian Trail is right nearby here too, so
he got rabies or something. No!
Hey. Come here.
He wants food. Look, photo op.
There's another one.
There's two?
Yeah, under there.
Oh, under. Oh.
Hi.
Are we talking to the same one?
I thought I was talking to the same one. Wait, that one looks different.
That looks different, yeah. You're not our original friend. He has more orange. You have more orange.
Oh yeah, he's hard.
It's kind of crazy how these things just roam around.